In visual design and art, there are a lot of rules and guidelines that you can follow to make things more pleasing to the eye. And one of those things is the golden ratio, and you've definitely heard of that or you've seen it before, so I'm going to skim right over it and say that the big, medium, small theory is derived pretty much directly from it. It's going to make life easier. It's for visual arts, but let's see if we can translate it to music. When you're designing something, it's good to keep big, medium, small in mind. It's going to give you balance and structure. It looks nice. I don't know why. I'm not an esthetician. But it's good to keep it in mind. The big shapes inform the big shape of a thing that you're making, or drawing, or painting. The medium shapes kind of add a detail to the general shape. You don't just want one circle. You might want a circle with two arms, and then you have a little arm circle character, maybe. You might be able to tell I'm not a visual artist. Not really. And the small things are just little details, little accessories you might give to a character that you're designing, or a car. I don't know. You can find this stuff everywhere around you. All the stuff that is pleasing to the eye usually has big, medium, small baked right into it. So here's a couple of examples. Look at the windows on this building across my house. Look at my monitors. Look at my guitars. Look at this script. So is this something that we can use in audio design? Some people call it music. Yes, we can. Here's some examples. We can use it in a song structure. We can do big, the verse or the chorus. Medium would be the intro, bridge, and the outro. And small could be the little transitions and the pre-choruses. We can use it for interest and focus. The big would be the vocals and or lead melodies. Medium would be drums and the chords. Small could be some little sound effects. Or we could do big drums and bass. And medium, the chords and effects. And small, some melodies. And you'd get a more bass, drum and bass heavy thing. We can also apply it to energy. We can say that the chorus and or the climax is big. The verses are medium. And maybe we have some breakdowns and an intro and an outro that are very small. We could even do it for a vocal performance. We can have long, sustained, or belted notes for big. We can have some chest voice, medium length notes for medium. Maybe some falsetto and very fragile, or maybe staccato vocal performances for small. I think it's a good idea to keep this stuff in mind. It limits your thoughts, and you've probably come across the idea that limiting your things is good for creativity. It's also a nice rule of three, and I don't know why rules of three work, but they're also everywhere, so they might be pretty or good. I think people like rules of three. Yeah. If you have any ideas for big, medium, small things that we can use in music, like I said, the vocal performance or energy, leave them in the comments. Maybe you got some ideas that I don't have, and we can help each other out. It might create some interesting ideas for new songs we might want to make. That's it. This video is inspired by Sinix. He's a YouTuber. He does painting and drawing videos, and he's excellent. He's a great teacher. This topic is stolen directly from him, translated to Music Talk. There's more reading material in the description if you like. So what did you think of the video? Did you love it? Did you hate it? What would you rate it? You're the best. You're the best. And like if you like, and please subscribe. Yeah.